This is some nasty stuff right here.
Try it on some fifth wheel grease, huh? All right, well, let's go ask this random driver named David if I could touch his truck.
This is some nasty stuff right here.
It was really easy to find some nasty weathered grease. Getting Dave to high-five me, not so easy.
All right, we'll be right back. I'll come back with clean
Yeah,
hands.
there's some nasty looking grease.
That's some nasty looking grease.
All right, so you heard it from Dave himself. That is some nasty looking grease. In my professional hand cleaning opinion, if you have this much grease on your hands, start with a dry paper towel to remove as much as you can. Now I want to show you how well two of our products work against this stuff. The first one was our heavy-duty wet wipes, which as you can tell took that stuff right off the corner of my hand. And coming up next that you see is our all-natural dirt-infused hand cleaner. It's actually a high-quality, cosmetic-grade bentonite clay, and the benefit of this is it actually absorbs all the grease and toxins on your hand. Now, like we said, this was some really nasty grease, and I'm not going to lie, I had to use our fingernail scrub brush, and I actually had to come in for a second wash. The first one got the majority off, but for clean, spotless hands, I had to come in for a second wash. But have no fear,
got
you'll
it.
never dry or crack your skin.